My name is Maria, and I've been working here 20 years. My husband used to work here. He got me a job here. And the things I heard about from my husband, they were good. So I said, okay. And 20 years later, I'm still here. I usually don't, at my age, I'm always dancing, singing. They're probably telling me, be quiet, be quiet. I said, no, I gotta make this place happy. You're building something. And then when you put that chair on the floor, it's like, you say, I built it. Especially when you build it and it comes out nice and pretty and you put it on the line. Very satisfying, very. They're gonna laugh with me. They come find me. I'm like a big mother to all of them. So if you wanna come work in assembly, this is the place.